Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your highlight title on the Instagram app while using your PC. Instagram's latest update has made everything smoother, but if you're not sure where to begin, just follow along. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your highlight titles with ease. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Once the app is loaded, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile photo. Give that a click, and it will take you straight to your profile page. On your profile, look just below your bio. That's where all of your highlight circles are displayed. These highlights store your favorite stories, and each one has its own title right underneath. Find the highlight you want to change, and then click on it to open. Now, to move forward with the edit, look to the very top corner of that highlight. You'll notice 3 small dots sitting right there. Click on those dots, and a menu will pop up. From this menu, choose the option called Edit. Once you're inside the editing section, pay attention to the title field. This is where you'll be able to update the name of your highlight. Simply remove the current title, type in the new one you want, and then press Next. It's that simple. Finally, make sure to confirm this step so your changes are saved. Instagram will process the update, and right away, the new title will appear under that highlight on your profile. And that's it. Just a few quick clicks, and you've successfully changed your highlight title on Instagram using the PC app. This little tweak is a great way to keep your profile organized, fresh, and up to date whenever you want. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and try it out now on your profile. It only takes a minute, and it can make your Instagram look much more polished.